Hey, this is gonna be my public announcement for Guardian Shield. It's gonna be now downloadable at StephenLeake.com and MonarchSovereignSystems.com. You just go to the digital tools on MonarchSovereignSystems.com and StephenLeake.com. Click on the Guardian Shield download, the Guardian Shield aspect of it. Then on StephenLeake.com is also a page called Guardian Shield. You can download it from there. I don't know if it shows you like a visual representation of it downloading, but it will be on your assistive device. I'm going to work on that. You have to code it from like nothing. And I'll give you a little live stream explanation. So Guardian Shield public live stream script. What it is, why it exists, how you run it on your own device. Hey y'all, I want to take a few minutes today to walk you through a piece of software I just released called Guardian Shield. This is a public safe defensive tool. Not a product pitch, it's free. It's not spyware, it's not military tech, it's not something that phones home. It's something that you can download, run on your own device, and understand fully. That last part matters. It should come with an onboarding wizard. It'll explain everything and go through it as you can use it with like an operating manual on your device. What problem Guardian Shield solves? Guardian Shield exists for a very simple reason. Modern systems get overwhelmed, abused, and broken not by geniuses but by noise. Repeated requests, malformed inputs, automated junk, and bad actors trying random things. Most systems either ignore this until they crash or respond with heavy-handed surveillance and tracking. Guardian Shield does neither. What Guardian Shield is a defensive signal filter. That means it looks at incoming data, what I call signals, and asks very basic questions. Is this payload unusually complex? Is the same thing being sent over and over again? Is the structure broken? Are these obvious red flags? And then it gives a recommendation. Allow it, slow it down, or temporarily block it. That's it. It does not trace users. It doesn't identify people. It's not spyware or anything like that. It doesn't spy on behavior, track behavior. It doesn't retaliate or track back. It doesn't even enforce anything. It just tells you what's going on. What makes it different? This is important. Guardian Shield runs entirely on your device. There's no cloud, no telemetry, no license, no tracking or analytics. Once you download it, it's yours. It runs locally. It does exactly what the code says. You can open the file and you can read it and you can modify it. There's nothing hidden. The license and ethics for it. I released Guardian Shield under something called the Monarch 1.0 Public Good License. In plain English, that means use it defensively, use it responsibly, and don't turn it into a weapon. Don't turn it into surveillance, and don't use it to harm people. It's a shield, not a sword. I just provide it as is. You're responsible for how you use it, how to download it. Let me show you how to actually get it. On the website, StephenLeake.com and MonarchSovereignSystems.com, you'll see a button that says something like Download Guardian Shield 1.0. Once you get to the digital tools menu on SovereignSystems.com or StephenLeake.com, there's a tab that says Guardian Shield. You go through there and download it, or you can go through at StephenLeake.com. You can go to the digital tools file, drop down menu. Click on Download Guardian Shield 1.0. When you click on that, your browser downloads a file called guardian_shield.py. That files the entire program. Nothing else is required. No installer, no account, or no email. How to run it. To run Guardian Shield, you need Python 3.9 or newer. Most Mac and Linux machines already have it. On Windows, it's a simple install from python.org. I'm going to work on making it simpler and translating it to Windows and stuff like that, so you can just pop it in and run it just from the download. But for right now, this is the way it works. Open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to the folder where the file is, and run Python guardian_shield.py. You'll see the output. It looks like status allowed, notes, indentation, box, and then time 1738362000.1.12. That means it's working. How you actually use it, this part is key. Guardian Shield is not a server, it's not a service, it's a library you call from your own code. Here's the idea. You create a signal and you pass it to Guardian Shield. Guardian Shield gives you a decision. Then you decide what to do. Okay, if it says allowed, you process that request. If it says throttled, you slow things down. If it says quarantined, you temporarily block that source. Guardian Shield never forces anything, it keeps humans in the loop. who this is for. This is for developers, educators, small teams, and people building systems who don't want spyware baked in. Especially for people who believe that privacy matters, transparency matters, and not everything needs to be centralized and monitored. What it is not. Let me be crystal clear. Guardian Shield is not a hacking software. It's not military software. It's not law enforcement software. It's not a surveillance platform. If that's what someone is looking for, this isn't it. I released Guardian Shield publicly because I believe defensive tools should be understandable, local, and honest. You should know what your software is doing. You should be able to run it yourself. And you should be able to walk away from it. If you want it, download it. If you don't, that's fine too. Either way, stay sovereign, stay human, and don't confuse protection with control. Thanks for your time out there. That's what it is. It takes a little bit of work. It's for developers first to get a handle on it. It doesn't just auto run as soon as you download it. You have to actually do some stuff on a Python compiler, stuff like that. But I'm going to be developing it. It's just the first iteration. And once I get people working on it to help me develop it, just out in the random the nerd sphere, can help me work on this to get it to just run automatically on iOS and Android. So we're going to go from there. But this is the first iteration. It's also on my GitHub. So we're gonna go from there. Thank y'all for listening to me. If you want to play with it, it's not going to hurt anything for you to try to download Python 3.9 and help me go with me and help me work on it. And I'm talking to y'all like my internet posse out there. Download it. Go to my site StephenLeake.com or MonarchSovereignSystems.com. Download Guardian Shield and download Python 3.9 and see if you can help me out. Figure it out. Use AI. We'll get this worked out. Thank you. And if you're experiencing harassment, work on it yourself. We'll get it figured out. All right, man. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. I'm not going to sign off today. I'm just going to say with this one word. We'll get there, folks. We're winning. And this is just the beginning of more tools to come. I'm going to build a meta portal to put on my site. It's going to have all my software tools like this. There's going to be unrunnable and downloadable for free or for like a small fee. This one's free. I want people to help me with it. Anyway, thank y'all. I appreciate it. Take care.